What's up, y'all? Got my accountability post for my weight vest walk today. About 3.83 miles in for today. I just got off a sales call for a guy that wanted to hop in the inner circle, and great prospect. Owns a couple rental properties already, wants to grow his portfolio. The thing, he's looking to exit his W-2 job. So lots of people are there and trying to increase their investment portfolio and exit. The biggest thing you have to understand is you have to make sure that you've got active income set up in some source. So like if you want to back down your hours or change jobs or whatever you want to do, or go full into real estate and stay in that vertical, there's ways to do it. But you're not going to live off of the net income of a couple rent houses for a long time. You got to let your portfolio and your investments bake for a while. So it's not like a short-term plan or an exit strategy. You've got to have active income, whether it comes from in the real estate vertical, wholesaling, agency, flipping, ground up, whatever you want to do, but you still have to have cash flow coming in so that you can reinvest it. So like my target goal for my guys is like, I want you to live off of 50% of what you make and invest 50%. And if you can do that for a period of time and stay focused on what your goals are, you can change your entire life, change your entire trajectory of your family. But the active income is important. So it's not like a 12-month exit. It's not something you can do in 8 months. I mean, it takes time to build these portfolios, just like building a business. It takes time to build pseudo-passive income. I don't really believe there's anything passive, but your income streams need to be built over time. Have a good day.